In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file ownership on Windows 11. Changing ownership can be helpful when you need full control of a file or folder, especially if it was created by another account or moved from a different PC. Ownership determines who has the highest level of authority over that item. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to make these changes. In many cases, you'll need administrative rights, and Windows may ask you to confirm your choice. Start by locating the file or folder you want to take ownership of. Right-click it and choose Properties. This opens a window that shows details about the item. Head to the Security tab. This tab controls who can access the file and what they can do with it. At the bottom, click the Advanced button. The Advanced Security Settings window gives you a deeper look at permissions and, importantly, who currently owns the file or folder. Near the top, you'll see the Owner field. Click the Change link next to it. If you're prompted by Windows to confirm, go ahead and allow it. You'll now see a dialog where you can choose the new owner. In the box labeled Enter the object name to select, type your Windows account name. This should be the same name you use to sign in. If you're not certain of the exact spelling, don't worry. Click the Check Names button. Windows will validate what you typed, and, if it recognizes it, it will format or underline the name to confirm it's correct. If Windows can't find the account, double-check for typos or confirm you're using the right account on this device. Once your name is recognized, click OK to confirm the new owner. You'll be returned to the Advanced Security Settings window, and you should now see your account listed as the owner. Click OK again to close out of the security settings, and then OK to close the Properties window. Your ownership change is now complete. A few tips as you work. Changing ownership doesn't automatically modify every permission, but it does give you the authority to adjust them if needed. If you're working with important system files or data managed by an organization, proceed carefully and follow any policies in place. If Windows blocks the change or the name won't validate, it may be restricted by system protection or by your account's privileges, in which case you might need assistance from an administrator. That's all there is to it. With ownership updated, you're in control of that file or folder moving forward.